This short video will walk you through logging into your Parent Portal account to check first quarter grades. First, visit our website at harrisburgdistrict41-2.org and then click on the Parent Portal link along the top. A green screen will show up. Click on the bottom blue box that says Campus Parent. Once you're there, you need to put in your username and password. If you forgot it, you can click Forgot Password, or if you don't have an account, you can contact Gene Hudson at the district at gene.hudson@k12.sd.us. Once you have successfully logged in, click on Reports on the left-hand side. Navigate to the upper right-hand corner, click on the drop-down arrow, and select which child's report card you'd like to view. In the middle of the screen, select First Quarter Report Cards. Another window will open with the report card. This report card will include any assessed standards this first quarter. If your child is in a personalized learning environment, you will need to access your Empower Parent account to view learner progress.